The markets for the three main drugs, cocaine, story is unfolding, there is more about Europe, heroin, basically opiates, and cannabis, the market is is showing declines and is a downward trend, whether we measure consumption, trafficking, or abuse.
Its health impact in terms of occasional use versus the chronic users that are...
Drug addiction to cocaine in Europe started basically 9 years ago, in the year 2000, and has been growing almost as a wild train, on a runaway train. Within the parameters of the convention, it has decriminalized drug abuse.
Internationally, the United States recognizes its responsibilities, and we continue to provide assistance to our partners in Mexico, Colombia, Peru, Afghanistan, and elsewhere to reduce the flow of drugs and to bring violent drug traffickers to justice. The United States will work with our partners around the world to help stop the flow of weapons and bulk cash going south out of our country.
Assisted, not to put in jail. People have to be treated, not to be put. You see an interesting osmosis of major drug trafficking, the past few opium cultivation in the past few years, away from Myanmar, the blue histogram, and into Afghanistan. Progressively so, until practically Afghanistan gained the almost monopolistically the total control of the market. Social workers who try to convince the fellow to... Cannabis use is very high, at least for periodic consumption, especially of joints, but is, to some extent, it may be considered mature as a problem, stabilizing, or perhaps even, I would say, in many of the countries, which are the key European countries, declining.
See that the beautiful west coast of our country would be on a UN report on trafficking in drugs